Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable restricted mode on YouTube on your PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. If you are using a computer, sign in to your YouTube account and you just need to click on this profile icon and click on restricted mode. Click on this arrow icon. Now you can turn it on restricted mode or turn it off as up to your choice guys. Just need to click on it, the icon, and click on restricted mode. Restricted mode lock prevents others from changing the restricted mode settings on this browser. Just need to disable it like this. If you already enabled it, you just need to disable it. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.